Hey there everyone, thank you very much for joining me here today for another great segment of Roddos Rules, where I take good old-fashioned recipes. We take out the bad stuff, we put in the good stuff, all the stuff you should be eating lots more of every single day to help you lose those kilos you've been battling with for years and years, to help you manage that type 2 diabetes that's giving you all sorts of problems, and get out and live life to the maximum every day. I know that's what I love to do, and that's what I do every single day for myself and all the people that I coach. So what have we got today? Well, you've probably seen my ingredients board. Chicken curry. Who doesn't love a chicken curry? Beautiful, warm, particularly these cold nights, warms you up inside, a little bit of spice, just a little bit of bite there. Great food. But in the past, you've probably made your curry with sauces, all the stuff you get from the supermarket, filled with all sorts of additives and sugars and flavors and all those things. We're going to ditch that. That's going in the sin bin, and we're going to send that down to my brother-in-law so he can make himself some really nice chicken curry with that sauce. So that one's gone. So what's our ingredients for today? Super easy, super quick. We're going to take chicken, heap of veggies, bit of seasoning, and done and dusted. So let's get rolling. Okay, now we're going to use chicken thighs. So you can use a whole range of different chicken cuts. We all know that. You've got drumsticks, you've got chicken breasts, you've got thighs. We find that chicken thighs have the most oil, the most fats, the healthy fats, and they don't tend to dry out anywhere near as much as all the other chicken cuts. So my recommendation, go with the thighs. So we're going to take those from the top, and we're going to start off, we want to cut those into strips. So we're going to run through about 10 mil, 1 centimetre wide, just quick cuts, bang, straight through, and we're going to do that all the way through. Now we're going to take our saucepan and going to use a really good quality olive oil from the other chef, our local provider. Beautiful food, beautiful healthy ingredients, and that's going to be from the top. So just to oil our pan, so a couple of tablespoons of the olive oil, pop those in there. Thank you, Chefy, for the great ingredients. And we're going to pop our chicken in as we go. So as I said, about 1 centimetre strips. We're going to bang those through, and you can see how easy it is. It doesn't take long. This particular curry, this one we're going to do today, it does have a little bit of bite to it. So if you're not real keen on hot curries, you might just want to back off on the amount of curry that we're going to put in here today, just so it suits everyone. Okay, there we go. So we're all cut up, all in our bowl there. We're just going to give it a little bit of a turn over, and that's going to go on the stove, and we're going to cook that up. Going to keep stirring that just till it's brown. Okay, so we're going to make our curry from scratch, and you might think this is going to be hard and lots of ingredients and I'm not going to get it right. Believe me, I'm no cook, but this is super quick and super easy. Let's go. We're going to run through our ingredients all laid out here. So from the top, large onion diced. So we're going to take our onion and we're going to dice it. So again, just keep it chunky, keep it really solid, really wholesome, if you like. Okay, now we want to dice this up, okay? So don't go chunky, but don't go too big, okay? We're going to... Beautiful smells coming through there, that onion. Love it. Good local produce from the local greengrocer. Done. Fantastic. Righto, that's our onion. We're going to add some garlic. We'll get onto our zucchinis. Now we're going to just knock the ends off those. Pop those out, and we're going to cut those into strips. There we go. Knock them in half. Say in half again, all the way through. In half. Just mind your fingers with that knife. Just be a little bit smart as you go. Knock them in half again. Beautiful. Beautiful, fresh ingredients there. Look at that. Pop all those straight in. We're going to add our garlic. So we've got 1 teaspoon of garlic, and you can use a bit of crushed garlic with your garlic crusher. This is just one we've got from the supermarket. Pop a bit of that in there. Just the 1 teaspoon. Beautiful. That's good. Keep running through our list. Curry powder. If you're not big on curry, if you don't like too much bite, just back off a little bit. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon here now. As you can see there, beautiful colour. There we go, pop him in there. 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. Again, a lovely, lovely seasoning. Add that in there. And a little bit of sea salt, just for a bit of flavour. Okay, all our ingredients here now. We're going to take that, all those beautiful ingredients, and we're just going to give that just a light stir, just to mix all that through. Now we're going to take that now, and we're going to combine that with our cooked chicken. So here's our chicken, all done, all seared off, looking great. We're going to pop that in there, all in there together. A little bit of spice there. And we're just going to cook that off for just a short while, just to mix that through a little bit. And then we're going to add our final ingredient, our coconut milk. Beautiful. There we go. And just give that a little bit of a stir through. And that's it. That's as hard as it gets, guys. It's a super, it smells absolutely great. This is one recipe which I'm a huge curry fan. I love curries, and I thought, there's a lot of ingredients, a lot of messing around, until we came across this really, really easy recipe, and we love this. This is a great, great, wholesome food. It's not hard. You can do this as well. As you can see, I've put all that together in no time at all. Not too many ingredients, great flavour and great taste. And here's one that we've prepared earlier. Look at that. Check that out. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Curried chicken. Takes no time at all to prepare and cook. Great meal for the whole family. Everyone loves this stuff. So that's it. Thanks again for the day. Really appreciate you coming along. Another great little segment of Roddos Rules. If you've got any questions, I'll be online afterwards. Drop me an email, shoot me a message, give me a call, whatever's good for you, and we can have a chat and talk through some of the ways that I might be able to help you with changing your lifestyle to live a better, to live a healthier life, to change the way you look at food, to change the foods that you eat so that you get the most out of yourself and lose a bit of weight and help you manage that type 2 diabetes, which is it's a awful, awful thing to try to have to battle with every single day. Thanks for joining in. If you want to check some other recipes, I've got a swag of them on our website, sportsadventure.com.au. We've got a heap of different things there, from meals to desserts to snacks to just good little treats that you can have at any time of the day. Thanks very much. We'll catch you next week.